Hope we'll be successful this time.
Bed knocks and broomsticks.
Yeah.
Bed knobs and broomsticks. Make the team. On Jack, Jace, Ronnie, Donna,
Oh no.
Donna,
Donuts.
Is that going to fit down there?
and Mark. No, so you've got to go all the way down there.
I think it's going to come down at least there because the spring's quite short.
Isn't the broom handle in your shed here?
I don't know. You're the one that knows everything.
I know, Naffle.
You're the new. Ow! You're the new.
The metal one there. The motorcycle pimp.
Yeah. You wish.
Oh, that's got that tapered end on it.
This is all the proper tools that we use for the job at hand.
Yep.
Oh, you're going to need the buzz gun, ain't you?
Is it?
It's in the stick.
The buzz gun is in the carrier, in the bag by where I was
use the little
sitting.
one. You use the Makita drill for now. You've
Just
got the
going to use
end
the
of it.
Makita.
You give it a go.
Oh God, that's hot.
And is the tool in there?
I don't know.
No, give it to Stu to
Oh,
smooth it.
it was the Allen cable,
Okay.
wasn't it?
You're reversing.
Ready?
Yep.
Watch out, Luke,
Yeah.
put you down standing there. Yeah.
Standing where?
The
The oil,
soil,
yeah.
let's see, yeah.
Well, when that don't come out,
What?
jam a stick up it.
Well, it is the correct tool. It's not just a stick, it is the correct
Is that correct?
tool.
How to get dirty tool.
Whoop.